guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free Litecoin in your Trust wallet without any investment. And when I say without any investment, I mean there is not going to be any investment from your own side. It's all free. Trust me guys, there's a lot of money in this. So guys, the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called payu.win. As you can see here, all you need to do is to, as you can see here, and also I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box below. This is a faucet site in which you can claim coins, and as you can see, guys, these are the amount of active users using this site. These are the numbers of coins they have already paid out to their users. These the coins have been earned already, and the withdrawals that have been made so far. So guys, this site is a nice site. So all you need to do is, I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So when you click on the link, you are going to be seeing over here sign up and sign in. So all you need to do is to click on the sign up button, which is over here. And when you click on sign up, as you can see here, it's only gmail.com is allowed for new registration. So guys, all you need to do is enter your email address, enter your password, repeat your password, then come over here and complete this captcha over here. It says I'm not a robot. Then you go ahead and click on login, and your account will be successfully created. So guys, after signing up on this site, all you need to do is to log in, which is to sign in, which is over here. Now guys, when you sign in, you are going to be told to input your email address here and your password over here. Then we are going to be completing this captcha over here. It says I'm not a robot. That is to verify that we are not robots. So guys, as you can see over here, we have been successfully verified. So you go ahead and click on sign in, and when you click on sign in, you are going to be logged in into your account. So guys, as you can see here, this is the amount of coins in which I have earned so far. And on this site, to earn on this site, all you need to do is to click on the three lines top left corner of your screen, which is over here. And when you click on it, you're going to be seeing some things you can do to earn on this site by BTC Solve. That is by clicking on links and solving some captchas to earn. And over here, faucet claims, and you can also do short link wall, which is over here, which you can also use in earning some coins for yourself. So guys, when you click on this faucet claim, to see how it works, it's going to be redirecting you to the faucet in which you are going to be doing. So guys, when it's finished loading, this is what it's going to be showing you. As you can see, we are ready to claim. This is the amount of coin you are going to be receiving: 300,000 coins, which you are going to be receiving in every claim, and you can claim up to 100 times in a day. As you can see, I've only claimed 5 times, so I'm left with 95. So guys, all you need to do when you scroll down to earn, as you can see over here, please click on the antibot link in the following order: 5, 3, and 1. So guys, that's what we're going to be doing now. As you can see over here, I'm going to be clicking 5, 3, and 1, and I'm going to be selecting a plane over here. And when you scroll down, you click on collect your reward, which is over here. Now when you click on collect your reward, as you can see guys, we have been rewarded with 300,000 coins, and it has been added directly to our balance. As you can see, my balance over here. So guys, to earn again, the earning on this site is every minute. That is every single minute. That is after 60 seconds, you come again and also repeat the same claim again. and let's be waiting for that. As you can see guys, we have waited for another minute and we are ready to claim again. You go ahead, repeat the same, do the captcha over here, click the antibot link, fox, dog and elephant, then select flag, then scroll down and click on collect your reward. As you can see guys, you have been rewarded with another 300,000 coins. So guys, this is how you can earn some coins on this. And to withdraw this, all you need to do is to click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, and you go ahead and click on the request withdraw over here. Then when you click on request withdraw, it's going to be showing you this. You input your email address in which you use in creating your faucetpay account here. And if you've not created a faucetpay account, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description box below, a link to the video which I made and explain how you can create your account, your faucetpay account. So when you input your faucetpay account, the Gmail in which you use in creating your faucetpay, you scroll down over here and click on Litecoin, as that is the coin which we are going to be doing. Now when you click on Litecoin, you come over here and click on withdraw. So guys, as you can see, this amount of Satoshi of Litecoin have been sent directly to our faucetpay account, and we are going to be confirming that. As you can see, our balance here is 0. So we are going to be going to our faucetpay account to see if it's really entered our faucetpay account. So we're going to our faucetpay account. So again guys, if you've not created your faucetpay account, I'm going to be dropping a link to the video which I made on how to create a faucetpay account. So guys, let's check if our Litecoin has arrived successfully into our faucetpay account. When you scroll down, as you can see over here from payu.win, as you can see, Litecoin have arrived successfully into our faucetpay account. So guys, this is how you can earn free Litecoin on this site just by doing some simple tasks. So guys, if you like this video and you enjoy what we are doing on this channel by supplying you with nice and legit updates, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified on that. Thanks for watching. And also guys, make sure you join our Telegram channel. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below to my Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel to get more updates.